everyone, how are you? My today's supper is the curry and rice of yesterday's leftovers. This one. And then I make 10-minute miso soup for my supper. Making a miso soup in 10 minutes only requires one ingredient, miso paste that is already mixed with dashi. It looks like exactly like regular miso paste, and you wouldn't be able to tell the difference between the two unless you read the package. This miso soup with dashi. Can you read the Japanese? They write dashi. This okaasan means mama or mother. Our mother or my mother, your mother, okaasan. Dashi iri with dashi or bonito stock. This is tofu, and this is wakame. Since the dashi or bonito is already in the miso paste, all you need to do is whisk in with hot water for basic miso soup. Add in diced tofu and dried seaweed, wakame. This is not dried seaweed, already in the water. What is wakame? Seaweed used for miso soups and salad is called wakame. Wakame is sold in dried form. All you need to do is soak the dried wakame in water for a couple of minutes. Once dehydrated, it will expand. Look, it expands. In the water. Soak in cold water for 5 minutes or hot water for 1 minute. Then drain and then add to miso soup. All you need is just a pinch of dried wakame for each bowl. You'll be surprised how much expands. This was 1 teaspoon of dried wakame. This is 3 teaspoons of wakame. To make 10 minutes miso soup. 1. Soak wakame in water. Drain. Cut up tofu into small cubes. Slice Chinese cabbage 100 gram and onion 130 gram. In this my case, tonight. 3. Boil water 1000 milliliter. 4. Add Chinese cabbage and onions into a pan and boil them for 5 minutes. 5. Add wakame and tofu into the pan. Turn off heat. 7. Whisk miso or dashi paste into hot water. 8. Boil them again for 3 minutes. Turn on the gas. Boil the water 1000 milliliter. When boil the water, add Chinese cabbage and onions. This is wakame. Drain off the water. Add wakame into the hot water. And tofu. Add miso paste in the hot water. Dissolve it or whisk it. Tablespoon 1, 2. Ouch. 2, 3. Mix it. Mix them. Boil them for 3 minutes. Today my supper is ready for eating. Oh no, just a minute. This is chili powder. Sprinkle to the miso soup. Okay, good. Now it's time to eat. いただきます。Bon appetit. Enjoy it.